my lovelies. Are you ready to unlock the secret to radiant, blemish-free skin? Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of DIY beauty with a simple yet effective face mask that will leave your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. Get ready to discover the power of two household staples, Colgate toothpaste and Vaseline. This dynamic duo works wonders in tackling those pesky acne marks and blackheads that can dim your natural glow. We'll guide you through each step of creating and applying this magical mask, ensuring you have all the information you need to achieve a flawless complexion. So grab your beauty supplies and let's embark on this exciting journey towards clearer, brighter skin. Let's talk about our star ingredients, Colgate toothpaste and Vaseline. You might be thinking, toothpaste? On my face? Trust me on this one. Colgate toothpaste, particularly the triple action mint variant, is known for its cleansing properties. It contains ingredients that can help dry out blemishes and reduce redness. On the other hand, we have our beloved Vaseline, a holy grail for many. This gentle giant acts as a protective barrier, locking in moisture and preventing the toothpaste from drying out your skin. It's important to use the original pure petroleum jelly version for optimal results. Together, these two create a powerful synergy that combats acne and blackheads while ensuring your skin remains hydrated and happy. Now that you're acquainted with our star ingredients, let's talk proportions. Creating this mask is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start with 1 tablespoon of original Vaseline. This will be the base of your mask, providing hydration and protection. Next, add your Colgate Triple Action Mint toothpaste. The key here is to achieve a smooth, easily spreadable consistency. Start with a small amount of toothpaste and gradually add more until you reach the desired texture. Remember, it's always easier to add more than to try and salvage a runny mixture. Before applying any mask, it's crucial to start with a clean canvas. This allows the mask to penetrate deeply and work its magic effectively. Begin by washing your face with a gentle cleanser. This will remove any dirt, oil, or makeup residue that might hinder the mask's performance. Once you've cleansed your face, pat it dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing your skin as this can cause irritation and sensitivity. Now you're ready for the main event. The art of application, a gentle touch of transformation. With your face cleansed and prepped, it's time to apply our magic potion. Using your fingertips or a clean makeup brush, gently apply the mask to your face. Focus on areas prone to acne and blackheads, such as your T-zone, which includes your forehead, nose, and chin. Remember to be gentle. Avoid applying the mask to the delicate skin around your eyes and lips. This area is sensitive and prone to irritation. Once you've covered the desired areas, relax and let the mask work its wonders. Time, the alchemist of beauty. While you relax and let the mask work its magic, let's talk about timing. It's crucial not to leave the mask on for too long, as the toothpaste can be drying. 5 minutes is the sweet spot. This allows the mask to effectively target blemishes and blackheads without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. Set a timer to avoid exceeding the recommended time. Once the timer goes off, it's time to wash off the mask and reveal your radiant complexion. Unveiling your radiance, the big reveal. After 5 minutes, it's time to bid farewell to our mask and unveil your radiant skin. Using lukewarm water, gently rinse off the mask, ensuring no residue is left behind. You can use a soft washcloth to help remove the mask, but avoid rubbing or scrubbing your skin. Pat your face dry with a clean towel. Take a moment to admire your reflection. Do you notice a difference? Your skin should feel refreshed, revitalized, and noticeably smoother. Frequency, consistency, the key to lasting beauty. Consistency is key when it comes to skincare. To reap the full benefits of this DIY mask, we recommend using it twice a week. Incorporate it into your nighttime skincare routine, preferably after cleansing and before applying your serum or moisturizer. Remember, everyone's skin is different. You might see results after just one use, while others might require a few weeks of consistent application. Be patient, be consistent, and your skin will thank you. Disclaimer: a note of caution for sensitive skin. While this DIY mask is generally safe for most skin types, it's essential to exercise caution if you have sensitive skin. Before applying the mask to your entire face, we highly recommend doing a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin, like your inner arm. Leave the patch test for the recommended 5 minutes, then rinse it off. If you experience any redness, itching, or irritation, discontinue use immediately. Remember, your skin's health is paramount. Always listen to your skin and consult a dermatologist if you have any concerns. Now go ahead and try this DIY mask. I can't wait for you to experience the magic yourselves. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and hit the notification button for more DIY beauty tips. I love hearing from you.